I'm going to show you what it's like inside an apartment in Finland. What quirky things they have to protect themselves against the cold and the dark. We're going to start at the front door. Not only do you have the front door, you have an extra door here. I don't know whether that's for protection against the cold or just the noise. I don't normally see that. In the hallway here, you've got this mega coat rack with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks on one side, 5 on the other. Loads of space to put your hats and things. And there's space down here for your shoes. Some rugs to soak up the inevitable snow that comes on your boots. Let's go in the bathroom here. I've got some washing on, so it's a little bit noisy. In Finland, you often have the washing machine in the bathroom. Not sure why that is. And then you might have a shower that's like a walk-in shower, so it's all part of the same floor. But then you have this special thing here. So if you make some water, and then the idea is you just wipe it away. Personally, I just leave it myself, but that's the idea. I think it's all pretty standard. This apartment's got this radiator high up on the wall. I don't know why that is. This is obviously the lounge. Check out the radiator here. It's on all the time. It's a double, I don't know what this is called, but it's like a double width radiator. I mean, I have it on number 3 right now. When you have it on number 5, it is just boiling hot. There's been a couple of times where I've literally had to open the window because it's been so hot. It's like well into the negative temperatures out there. It's been down to, I've seen -19. These windows and this kind of patio door are just epic. Check this out. So not only have you got the double glazing of this window, you've got an extra layer here, which I think is also double glazing. So you've got 4 layers of glass separating you from the outside. The apartments are just incredibly well insulated. Downstairs, you've got heat coming from down there as well. I don't know what the heating bills are, but they do their most to make sure it's insulated against the cold outside. Moving on to the kitchen here. One thing the Finnish like to do is recycling. I think that's normal waste. I believe that's biodegradable waste. And this one here is cardboard. And I have to take them out to somewhere down there in the car park. One thing I've noticed in Finland, it's like a really obscure thing. I've got a dishwasher, and when I want to use that dishwasher, there's a special little knob. You see here, it says closed or open. So if I want to use the dishwasher, I have to turn this one. Actually left it on yesterday, naughty me. I guess that's just protection against leaks or something. One thing I appreciate compared with other countries like Spain and Italy, I've seen they don't often have kettles. I've got a kettle here so I can get tea going constantly. Let's move on to the bedroom. In Finland, you'll notice is your duvet will be like, it will be more like that, kind of folded up on your bed, rather than made into a bed with the duvet flat. I don't know why that is, but I kind of like it because it means when you make your bed, it's a lot quicker. In general, I find that the apartments in Finland are just really conveniently laid out. Lots of plug sockets, lots of facilities in the kitchen. Toaster, coffee machine, microwave, dishwasher, oven. Cupboards are full of utensils, which is why I like to stay in these kind of Airbnb apartments in Finland. I knew I'd forgotten something. Now that the washing's finished, check this out. It opens from the top like this. Then you kind of have to undo this drum. Don't get that back in the UK.